Hello guys, we are back once again with another video. In earlier videos we have discussed about dye granulation procedure and wet granulation procedure. This is the third and last procedure to manufacture a tablet via direct compression process. In this video we will see process flow of direct compression, merits and demerits of direct compression. So here is the process flow of direct compression. First you have to sieve all the material, the API and the excipients. The next step is dry mixing of all the material after sieving. Now this is the bulk which is ready to compress. Why we prefer direct compression? Direct compression is a cost-effective process. Less number of equipments are involved, less maintenance cost, no usage of the solvent as we use in wet granulation process. Process time, less number of equipments are involved, so less time is required to manufacture tablet via direct compression. Less number of CPPs. What are the CPPs? CPPs are critical process parameters. More number of equipments are involved, then there are more CPPs. Less number of equipments are involved, there are less CPPs. Direct compression is a very simple method. There is no critical manufacturing involved in direct compression. You don't have to prepare slugs, you don't have to prepare a binding solution, etc. Just need to mix the API with excipient and then compress the tablet. Enhanced product quality. As there is no usage of solvent in a direct compression process, so there are very less chances for the product degradation. There are less chances or reduced chances of cross contamination. Why direct compression is avoided? Direct compression is avoided due to flowability issues. Flowability is another challenge in direct compression. This is the major disadvantage of direct compression. Tablets are not compressed easily and we observe powder flow problem from hopper to feeder. So the desired weight of the tablet not achieved. So this is the limitation of direct compression. Content uniformity issue in tablets. This is another issue where the API is not dispersed properly among the excipients, so we observe another challenge of tablet uniformity. Of course, if there would be issue in blend uniformity, so we will observe content uniformity issue in tablets as well. Tablet hardness is also another issue. The tablet hardness which we achieve in wet granulation and dry granulation uh, is more easy as compared to the direct compression process. Environmental conditions are also impacting the direct compression procedure. If there would be variation in RH, so it will directly impact on the powder and it might increase the moisture of the powder, which may create issue during compression, which may produce flowability issue. So this is all about the direct compression process. It is a very simple direct compression process. If you want to know more about direct compression, so you may directly email to me on yes.yasirhussain@gmail.com. Thank you. We will come back with another video in which we will discuss about interview questions